Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Facebook account without email. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app or go to Facebook.com on your browser. Click or tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Type the phone number connected to your account if you still have it. Then tap Search. If you do not have the phone number, tap Search by name instead. Enter your full name and choose your profile from the list carefully. If you see multiple similar profiles, open each result and confirm the correct profile photo and friends. When Facebook asks where to send the code, choose SMS if it is available. If SMS is not available, tap No longer have access to these and look for other options. Select the option to verify your identity using another method if Facebook shows it. Try the Trusted Contacts option if it appears, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you can log in on any device where you were previously logged in, open Settings and confirm your phone number. On that logged-in device, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap Account Center, then Personal Details, then Contact Info. Add a new email address you can access, and confirm it using the code sent there. After adding the new email, return to the login screen and retry the password reset. If you are still blocked, open a browser and visit Facebook.com/login/identify. Search your account again and choose the correct profile. Choose a recovery method that you can access, even if it is not email. If no recovery method works, go to Facebook.com/help and search for account recovery. Open the form for confirm your identity or recover your account if available in your region. Upload a clear photo of your government ID only if Facebook requests it. Make sure the name and birthday on your ID match your Facebook profile details. Use a strong new password that you have never used on other sites. Log in with the new password and immediately review security and login settings. Turn on two-factor authentication using your phone number or an authenticator app. Remove unknown devices and log out of sessions you do not recognize. Update your contact information so you do not lose access again in the future. Save your recovery codes in a safe place if Facebook provides them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.